What do we set the bar at? 65 today? 60, starting at 60. I love it. She got it? 48. Let's see what we got. 49, 50. Oh, I say that was a good practice round. You got to keep on that. Right down the middle as fast as you possibly can. We got the nothing but net group hats right here. Everybody's been wanting it. Oh, I know you're going to get it. You're going to do good, right, my man? There we go. I know you're going to do good right here. Pull on over to the digital copper shot. You win the hoop hats. Everybody's been talking about challenge.
So once you get registered, you can line up and compete against your friend. Your frenemy. Good morning. Are you guys going to compete in the bracket ball challenge for bragging rights? You going to compete against me? All right. Okay, here we go. All right,
yes. All right. I always wanted to become a cheerleader. Everybody says I have the build for it. So, right? See? All right. I guess I'm more of a base. More of a base. What's the hardest thing to do? Is it the holding up on like a foot? What for you? Are you like the base, or are they throwing you up and you're doing? You can throw. I want to see that. All right, let's see it. Let's see it right here. Right here. We're gonna get a little throw up here. All right, here we go. One. Oh, please be careful. I don't want to lose nothing. Hey! You know what?
That's the picture. That's a good one. That's a good one. I'd remember